Ano po ang pwedeng i-reply naman sa thumbs up? Okay, sige, makinig kayo no mga sigarilyo. I keep saying this on my channel. Phones are only used for setting dates, not to get to know someone. Ibig sabihin ay huwag kayong manliligaw through text lang. Kasi alam nyo malakas makababa ng attraction level yan sa totoo lang. You need to ask her out on a date so you guys could get to know each other better. Not only better, but the right way as well. Kasi to be honest, kapag ganito na yung sinasabi ni girl, it only means na mababa na yung attraction level niya sa'yo. Bo sweet, nung umpisa kaming nag-chat marami naman siyang minamessage sa akin. Pero nung bandang huli, parang isang tanong, isang sagot na lang siya. See? Then if that's the case, then you've just proven me right. Dati most likely, kaya marami yung reply sa'yo. Kasi yung attraction level sa'yo ni babae is at least a 5 pa. Pero nung lagi na kayo nagkaka-chat at puro chat lang yung ginagawa mo kay girl, tignan mo, like na lang tuloy yung mga reply niya sa mga messages mo. If you keep this up, seen na lang yung mga messages mo, asahan mo yan. So the next time na thumbs up lang yung reply sa'yo ni babae, ask her out on a date na kaagad. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy, straight to the point na tayo. Because as men, we are supposed to be decisive and straightforward. Ask her, when are you free to get together? And set a definite date. Once you've set a definite date, then cut the conversation na kaagad and say, I gotta go na muna, may lakad pa ako, or something like that. And do not chat her again until the day of your date. I know you guys are asking, why? Because by not contacting the girl till the day of the date, this will create a romantic tension sa part ng girl. Tumataas yung pagka-mystery mo sa babae. Maiisip niya na, ano kayang trabaho nun? Ano kayang mga likes niya? Sana mahilig din siya sa K-pop. Sana lagi rin siya nanonood ng Viva Max. I can't wait for the date na. I would really love to get to know him better. Ganarn. Kasi tatandaan nyo, if the girl is thinking about you, you win the battle. Ngayon, kung pinakilala mo na sa kanya ang sarili mo through chat, nasaan na ang mystery dun? Wala na. You're like an open book na sa mata ng babae. Hindi na siya naiintriga sa'yo. Bakit? Sinabi mo ng lahat sa kanya through chat Paano pa siya gaganahang may pag-date sa'yo, diba? There is no romantic tension na between you and the girl. So again phones are only used for setting dates, not to get to know someone. Follow for more and mag-sub na rin kayo sa YouTube channel ko